Hi, I'm Rich Close, and in today's iPhone tutorial, I'll teach you how to permanently delete voicemails. Please make sure to click the link and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also visit richclose.com. Open the phone app. That's the green phone icon. And mine opens. Right now I'm showing the phone dialer keypad. Click voicemail in the bottom right hand corner and open up your voicemail area. And you'll see that you have an area where you can delete a single message. But right below that is a deleted messages, and you'll see 6 in my folder there. All right, a little hidden problem in voicemails is when you hit delete, it only temporarily deletes it. And you can see I've got this deleted messages area here, and I'm showing 6 in here. So while I think I've deleted the messages, the truth is I still have messages in my deleted folder. Some of these I haven't listened to. You can see my blue icon here. And I knew what they were about, so I didn't listen. But to permanently delete them, you have to go into the deleted area and hit clear all. If you don't do that, they continue to build up in this deleted box and will eventually fill up your mailbox even though you've listened to all your voicemails. Make sure you go in and delete your messages in the deleted area. And again, you would just hit clear all and the messages would be deleted. And I'll do that right now. Those pesky deleted emails that were filling up your voicemail box, even though you didn't know it, are now deleted. Thank you for watching my videos. Please help me by liking this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Also visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.